Yeah, I got more records in the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.
Shot y'all, separate the weak from the oxa. Meat parts of creek and Brooklyn Street. It's on, nigga, fuck all that bickering beat. I can hear sweat trickling down the cheek. Your heartbeat sound like fast walk feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Then the shit stop when I fall the plot. Neighbors call the cops and they hold mad shot. Saw me in the drop, feeling the quarter. Slaughter, electrical tape around the border. Old school, new school, need to learn though. I burn, baby, burn like disco inferno. Burn slow like Blake with yo-yo. Pure more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I make the skin tape, crashes on the masses. Bumps and bruises, blunts and land cruises. Big Papa smash fools, bad fools. Niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 Glock 9s. Any motherfucker whispering about mine. And I'm Brooklyn's finest. UV wireless, bad boys behind the spot. Excite all the freaks, stack mad chicks, spread love with my peeps. Niggas wanna creep, got to watch my back. Think the cognac and Indo sack make me slap. My switches all up, top sucker G's up. One first move, get Swiss cheese up. Put the cut, respect.